What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Screech from Roblox doors. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles on the outside for the eyes. We'll start on the left side, start from the very top, bring that down towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up towards the top. Now you want to line up the top of that circle all the way over towards the right side and draw the same thing. Coming all the way down, and then back up. Now we're going to move down and draw that drip effect going across the head. Let's start over on the left side. Start with the curve coming down underneath the eye and just pull that up. Let's add another curve coming down and then up. Let's round out the top, bring that down. We'll add a longer drip coming down and up towards the right. Let's add another bend coming down and then up. Round out the top again, bring that down, round out the bottom, go up towards the eye. I'm going to add one more curve coming down and then up toward the side of the head. And we want to make sure we line this up with the left side. Now we connect the ends of the drip with a half circle. We'll start on the left, just going to bring this all the way down towards the bottom, and we'll bend that back up towards the right side. Now trace that curve along the inside. Let's start underneath the drip, just following that all the way across, and bring that up towards the right. Now the top edge of the mouth has a slight bend coming down in behind the drips. So we'll start underneath the drip on the left, just going to bend this down and in behind, bend this up and across towards the right. Let's separate the teeth with a curve going across the middle. We'll start back over on the left, bend this down, and then back up. Now from here we draw the top row of teeth. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going up underneath that drip, and then we want to round out the gum line. So going over towards the left, going up, and then bringing that straight down, go to the right side, go across, and then bend that down. Let's add another tooth. Stepping up, and round up the top of the gum line, and come back down on both sides. And we'll add a couple more on either side. Going up, and then down. And we'll just push this off to the side of the mouth, going up, and then out. Now we can do the same thing along the bottom in the opposite direction. Starting from the center, come down, and bend that up. And then we'll repeat this all the way out towards the side of the mouth. Just blend this out towards the side along the bottom. Now I'm going to draw a half circle for the top of the head. From the top corner of the mouth, let's step out. Just going to curve this up. Bring this in towards the middle. Just going to round out the head. And then bring that down on the right. Let's pull this in towards the side of the head. Come down, just follow that curve coming in. And then we'll add some drips across the bottom of the body. Let's start back over on the left, bend this down, and curve that up. Let's add another drip, coming down and up towards the center of the body. Going to round this out, come down, round out the bottom, just pull that back up. Now I'm going to add one more drip and blend this out towards the right side of the body. So come down, up, and bend that out. Now there's 6 long extensions coming out around the body. Let's start with the one on the top left. Start with a straight angle line going up and out. Now I'm going to change the angle, going up, and then again, we'll change its direction going in. Let's trace these lines coming back in towards the body, but we're going to get a little bit thicker as we come in. And we'll pull that down towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to take this and flip it over on the right side. So let's line this up. Just going to change the direction and the size a little bit. Angle this in. And then again, just tracing the outside as you get it thicker. Let's add an extension on the left side. From the eye, going up and out, coming down at an angle, down towards the tip. And then again, we're just going to trace along the bottom. Let's line up the bottom over on the right side. We're just going to bring this one down, go across, and then up. And then we'll just taper that back in. And add 2 more across the bottom of the body. Let's start on the left. Come down. I'm just going to add 1 angle, coming back in. And now we're just going to trace the inside. Let's add 1 more on the right side, starting underneath the drip, coming down at an angle. Pull that straight down. I'm going to work our way around the outside, going up, and then pull that in behind the body. And once we're finished, we'll sign our artwork and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Screech from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.